This tray is one of the best accessories that you can get for your Tripp Trapp chair. You can get it in black, gray, or white, and Harvey has the white one here. Now you might be worried, is that going to leave some stains because the color is so bright? And the answer is no. This has been in daily use for almost 5 months now, and it still looks like new. The tray is very easy to clean. You can just unlock the clips underneath it and then walk over and rinse it under the sink if it's really dirty. If the mess is a bit smaller, you can also easily wipe it off with a cloth. The tray is durable and sturdy. It is not just a flimsy piece of plastic. Rather, it has a honeycomb structure underneath that makes it super stable. You can mount and unmount the tray even when your baby seat and harness are attached to your Tripp Trapp chair. That makes it super flexible. And speaking of flexibility, you might think that this tray is only for your baby's eating. But in fact, it's so big and so stable that your baby can even play with their toys on there. One great reason to get the tray is that then your baby will have their own space to make their own mess, which means that your main kitchen table is going to remain a lot cleaner when your baby is eating. So if you want an excellent accessory for your Tripp Trapp chair, definitely get this tray. You can buy the tray, other accessories, or the Tripp Trapp chair with the links in the description below the video. Click or tap the screen right here for more great baby product reviews. Thanks for watching.